Hey guys, what's up? Ray's Gaming iOS here for another Warship video. And yeah, I haven't been posting a lot of Warship videos because I've been working on 3 warships that I'm gonna review at the same time. Not right now, like on one video, but I'm gonna review them later. So yeah, this is the Shinano 2. It's so laggy with all these planes. The Shinano 2 is an upgrade to the Shinano, the regular aircraft carrier. That's that bad small one. Yeah, that's the worst aircraft carrier ever. And now I rebuilt it to become maybe one of the Japanese best aircraft carriers. It holds not a lot of firepower on the sides. It's probably only able to destroy small ships with its guns. Its main firepower is to its planes. So to prove that this ship's better than the Shinano, we're gonna beat the Shinano with the Shinano. So yeah, I was able. That was really slow killing the Shino, but our power of aircraft won. So yeah, I don't think we can kill Yamato, guys. It has too many anti-aircraft guns. So let's just kill USS Langley, another aircraft carrier.